This is going to be the over at the Goessmann Laboratory at University of Massachusetts Amherst in Amherst, Massachusetts. Got an impulse. This should be an interesting one. Good, the chime works. The lantern works as well. That's a good sign. Let's go up to 2. Let's listen to the motor. Okay, let's go to 1. We're not going to go to the basement. It's not worth it. Let's get a quick cab view. This cab has definitely seen some wear and tear. This is most likely an 80s impulse, as these walls have never been painted. This thing's definitely taken a beating, but it's alright. It's not a horrific elevator. It's getting worse. Anyways, guys, I'll be all short for this one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.